The nature preserve is closing early today. I thought the ice storm, the rain, whatever's coming down, wasn't gonna start till like 11 tonight. So I was like, let me get out in nature while I have the opportunity, because it's gonna be closed all day Sunday. I'm not driving on anybody's roads until Tuesday after this. But it started, I don't know if you can hear. I'm gonna stay still for a second. It's coming down a little bit. Not anything significant, but this is a bit of a drive from home. So I wanted to go ahead and leave because it's quite cold outside. I don't think it's cold enough for the roads to freeze before I get home, but you know, people are nervous right now. Sometimes things don't happen because of the actual what's going on, but because of people's energy and motion, anxious energy and motion. So I'd rather just be home. I just felt it. It's not rain. It's little pieces of ice. So yeah, it's about to be something. Yeah, let me get my behind home. Still pretty out here though. Real pretty. Yeah, time to make my way to the house.